Alrighty, since I had two chainsaws that got sharp chains, including the MS-310, which I'm still not going to use it, but it's still acting funny. But we're going to do the Homelite Super XL versus Extreme Power 82-100 XP. So we're going to see how they both cut. Anyway, let's see how they do. I kinda forgot to put oil in it. That's the reason why I was bogging. That thing didn't do too bad, actually. That's a good cutter. Now for the 82-100 XP. Not bad for the good cutters. But a 2-in-1 whammy. The Super XL or the Extreme Power 82-100. Other than that, they're both pretty good cutters, but they do what they supposed to. That thing throws nice big chips, just like the way you want it. That's the reason why this one was bogging because it's out of oil. I had to fill up the oiler. Now it's still got plenty of oil in the oil pump. But they are very good cutters. But the Extreme Power is a good little saw. They're both good cutters. But anyways, like and subscribe. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about these two. And I'll see you next time. Oh, is it, what the hell? Oh, that thing's spraying gas. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to replace a grommet into this thing. I hope it doesn't catch on fire. Maybe I have to leave it like that and stay next to it and make sure it doesn't catch on fire. This could be kind of dangerous. I can't run it like that with it spraying fuel like that out to the grommet. Anyways, I'll have to replace that grommet on this thing later. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Anyways, thank y'all for watching.